Greetings and salam sejahtera to lecturers, panels, and audience. Before we begin, let me introduce myself and my group members. My name is Alwani Sanior, along with my group member, Nur Sorhana, Janet Vianney, Izwana Zulaika, Shafika Hassana, and Nur Shafina. We are from Group 3 from ENT 530, Group 9. In this video, we will present and explain about our company, Click and Collect Market. First of all, let me introduce about our company. Our company name is Click and Collect Market or CNC Market. CNC Market launched in 15 June 2021 and first located in Kota Kinabalu, Sabah. CNC Market main activity are selling grocery and household supply, and the format business are shareholders among friends. With the uniqueness from our company, CNC Market created to encourage people to buy goods through drive-thru service that help customers save their time to buy grocery or household supply. The mission of the company is to provide a fast service grocery for customers to buy goods and collect by drive-thru. And the vision is to becoming the first new version of convenient markets industry that customer can access through application or website to order the product goods they want and collect by drive-thru.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Nur Shafina Shahira binti Rotin, and I will present our business venture and value proposition. Our service is grocery shopping, so the product mainly is grocery and household supply. It is a micro enterprise. It is generally defined as small business employing 9 people or fewer. The location of our Click and Collect supermarket is at Kota Kinabalu, Sabah. This is our value proposition. The first step to the grocery shopping at our market is, by installing the apps, open it and select what grocery you want to buy. Then, go to payment and choose what method you want to pay, whether by credit card or debit card or online transaction. After complete the payment, wait for our notification for your order to be complete, and pick up the order at our drive-thru counter. See the right?
Hi, my name is Nur Sorhana binti Linus, and today I will talk about customer segment that CNC Market will focusing on mass market. What is mass market? Mass market is a single marketing program used to offer the same product to all consumers. CNC Market is a groceries market that provides of standardized goods like sugar, salt, rice, and so on. Even though CNC Market provides of standardized goods, but we offer a drive-thru for all consumers that have a different service compared to the other market. After that, customer segment for CNC Market is for low income because our market will provide more promotion and discount to our customers. Lastly is we are focusing on workaholic family, which means we will help them in manage their time during purchasing from CNC Market. Why? This is because CNC Market provide a drive-thru groceries for our customers, and you will not wasting your time to line up for make a payment for your purchasing items. So we will next to the next presenter. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Janet Vianney, and now we will go through channel. We are using social media as our medium to reach our customers such as Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. It helps us to engage with customers as it can help us to improve from time to time. We also create an application and website since our company do and drive-thru grocery purchase with an app. Customer also can have a direct service from us as customer will collect their grocery. In order for a startup to develop a good relationship with customer, we always prioritize 2 matters, which is customer feedback and membership card. For customer feedback, after they have purchased grocery from our market, the application will show a pop-up regarding the feedback of the customer. They can rate whether they satisfied or dissatisfied with our services. Next, membership card. Membership card attract loyal customer. With the membership card, customer can claim a discount depends on the item sales. Besides that, customer also can earn point every time they purchase grocery, and the point can use to redeem rewards.
Next, the revenue stream. How CNC Market gain the profit? Firstly, it's based on the sales of goods. This is because CNC Market will mark up sales in 5% in sales of goods. After that, online sales from CNC Market will give more promotion and discount, especially for our customers that purchase through online, and we will gain more customer loyalty, also be able to attract another consumers in making purchasing decision from our market. Lastly is through additional services. For example, customer needs help from our staff to deliver their purchasing items into customer's car, and they will be charged because of using the staff's energy.
Greetings, my name is Shafika Asana and I will be presenting about the key resources and key activities for Click and Collect Market. The first key resources for our company is the IT technology, where the IT technology is an information technology that works to track and manage the buying process of consumers. This is important because it will establish communication more quickly, maintain electronic storage, and ensure protection of company records. In addition, the Click and Collect Market also has provide the websites and accounts on digital platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, where people can find information related to our company. Next, I will be talking about the key activities for Click and Collect Market. The main key activities for our company is buying and selling consumer goods, where we are buying goods from manufacturer and then we sell the goods to the consumer via our driving-through supermarket. In addition, other key activities for our company is the effective of distribution system. Effective distribution system provides convenience to consumers in the form of availability, as consumers only need to shop from within their vehicle and they do not have to walk around to find goods or items, as they only need to press the goods that they want on one device that has been provided. Lastly, analyzing consumer demands. This is a process in which our company understands consumer demand for a product that they want. This is also to ensure that our consumers get a satisfactory service at the end. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Azana Zulaika Sahaini. CNC Market thrives as the first drive-through grocery shop in Malaysia that utilizes technology in ensuring the best customer shopping experience. Hence, by forming partnerships, the organization is expanding into the market. Since the pandemic emerged, the organization has relied on both the local and regional suppliers to keep the shelves readily stocked. Apart from that, the business also takes advantage of existing organizations that have already built an audience by partnering up with joint ventures and associations. Like any other business, CNC Market also has its own fixed and variable costs to stimulate its growth. Capital expenditure, or otherwise known as capital expense, is the sum of money the company spends in order to buy, maintain, or fix its assets, which includes the land, the building, and also the equipment involved. The next cost structure of CNC Market is IT infrastructure management, which is crucial for controlling and managing the technical operations of the business and ensure business efficiency. CNC Market holds its own application and system which allows customers to choose from a variety of groceries on their preferred devices. Since this is the first local technologically advanced grocery store, research and development is pivotal so as to improve the services through innovation.